Meaning of freeze frame.
Freeze frame.
Freeze frame.
Freeze frame.
Freeze frame. Freeze frame refers to the action of pausing a video or film at a particular moment to create a still image. This allows the viewer to closely examine and analyze the details of that specific frame. It is often used in video analysis for sports, film studies, and forensic examination. Freeze framing also has cultural significance, as it has been used as a dramatic effect in films to emphasize important moments or plot twists. Overall, freeze frame is a visual tool that allows for closer examination and analyses of specific moments in video or film.